Step 1. Dismount the strut assembly from the bench vise. Step 2. Mount the strut assembly in the vehicle from below by matching the upper mounting bolt slots. Step 3. Hold in position and fix the upper mounting bolts. Step 4. Using a ratchet, tighten the bolts. Step 5. Using the torque wrench, torque the bolts as per manufacturer prescribed torque. Step 6. Using a torque wrench, torque the strut nut to the manufacturer prescribed torque. Step 7. Mount the axle back on the lower mount of the strut. Step 8. Fix the strut bolts and tighten the bolts using a suitable spanner. Step 9. Using the torque wrench, torque the strut bolts as per manufacturer prescribed torque. Step 10. Fasten the brake fluid line to the strut lower end with the E-ring. Step 11. Mount the tire on the wheel. Step 12. Using a wheel spanner, tighten the wheel bolts. Step 13. Carefully lower the vehicle. Step 14. Using a torque wrench, torque the wheel bolts to the manufacturer-specific torque. This completes the installation of the strut assembly.